You can also enhance images with low light inside of CapCut. So to do that, you need to go around under Magic Tools right here. And once you go around under Magic Tools, you can see that low light image enhancer is an option over here. If I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it opens up the image enhancer, as you can see right here, and you can go around and click on upload. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and upload out this photo right here and click on open, just like this. So once you do that, it analyzes out the picture, as you can see, and then enhances the area with low light. So you can see that it is generating right there. So it is analyzing the picture just like this. And then in a while, what happens is that it'll go around and then enhance the picture. So it's almost complete now, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is a level 1, as you can see. You can go all the way up to level 4. So you can see the before and after. So if I were to go around and then see the original, this is what you have, as you can see. But if I were to click on this, it enhances out the picture, as you can see. There's noises over here as well, as you can see right here in the picture. There's some noises and there's some details that's lacking. But if I were to go around and click on this, you can see that it immediately enhances the image right here, just like this, and corrects it out. So now you can go around and preview it, or go around and download this out as you like as well, by clicking on the download button right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and then enhance out low light images inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe